Hey, welcome friends, Kat Ray here. So today we'll be mounting some license plates on this concrete wall, and we'll be showing you drills, drill bits, screws, and how to line it up and mount those very well. So stick around. So I have my dad here to show us all the details and all these many things because he is very knowledgeable about this, a lot better than me. So turn it over to you, Dad.
Yeah, I'm going to give a disclaimer that I do not do this for a living. I'm an amateur at it, but I do in my work similar things. I'm not going to tell you what I do, but in any event, so since I don't do this for a living, I'm going to approach it from a standpoint of you don't know what you're doing and I don't know what I'm doing, and we're both going to learn together. So let's start off. We are going to talk first about drills and drill bits. I have two drills that we can use for concrete. This is a standard DeWalt half-inch drill. If you listen close, it hammers. Concrete drills are different than a standard drill. This is a standard drill. It's a big one, but it's just got the standard points, the point in the end, and then the flutes on the side. A concrete drill, on the other hand, has a flange on it. See this guy? That digs into the concrete, and so the hammer drill will be pounding it as it's going around. So do not use this type, use this type on cement. Kat will show you down here, there's a whole bunch of different drill bits. They all have flanges, and they all fit in this drill. Here's one you can see the flange really well. This drill is a very good all-around drill, and you can use it for just about anything. This drill is a Milwaukee concrete drill. It's dedicated to drilling concrete. It's got your settings up here. It can be standard drill or concrete with the hammer setting on it. It's big. I chose to buy it as corded because it's going to run out of battery real quick. There are basically two different types of screw you can put into a concrete wall. The first one is just a direct screw. There's small ones, larger ones. They are made so that you drill the hole and then drill this in to the concrete wall. The second type of fastening device has a sheath. So you drill this in, hammer it in, and as you put the screw into it, it spreads out. See how it's spreading out? We have here a 1967 trailer license plate. This belonged to my dad. It was mounted on our horse trailer, and we're going to put it up here. It's 12 inches wide, and the opening here from the frame to the frame is 24 inches. So it's going to be 6 inches from here to here and 6 inches from here to here, and then 12 inches for the license plate.
Awesome.
Even with the mortar joint, even if it's a little ski-wampus, because it won't look good if you're level and the brick's like that. So what we're going to do is use this drill. You have to use water while you're drilling. And we're going to drill with the DeWalt drill on hammer setting. So right here.
So I'm definitely wearing my earplugs because I don't want to go deaf, and those drills are loud.
Using the Milwaukee drill. Remember how slow that last one was? Well, prepare to be amazed.
Well,
are you ready?
yes.
Go! 1 second. You got the difference between these drills? Yeah, right. Okay. Kat's going to use the DeWalt drill. We're not drilling in the mortar, we're drilling in the cement brick.
Yes, in the cement
So
brick.
good luck with that.
Okay, let's see how long this takes me. This might take me a couple of minutes.
We're going to switch.
Yeah! Yes! I was putting my whole body weight against that thing. That is, yeah. Whole body weight.
Kat is now going to use the Milwaukee drill. She's going to be really careful and not break my drill bit.
Wow, that Milwaukee took me probably about 1 to 2 seconds.
We're going to screw the concrete screws in now. 1, 2.
Voila!
This
You
is
did that.
So in sequence, what you do is you measure the license plate, measure the width you're putting it into, figure out the inset from both sides, place it, get your height, and mark and drill screw number 1. Put in screw number 1 about 9/10 of the way, rotate it up, mark screw number 2 through the hole, rotate this out of the way, drill it, put it back, and then insert screw number 2. Now you've got it level and centered. You can just drill and insert screws 3 and 4, tighten through 1 and 2 down, and you're done. But do them one at a time. Screw number 1, screw number 2, then 3 and 4. And you're set. Do not try and mark all 4 holes and drill them. You'll never get them straight.
I just love this. It's got the 2 different license plates, 60 years apart. This one's old and rusty, and this one has the greatest snow on earth because I do love Utah because of all the skiing and snowboarding.
Kat was a snowboarding instructor at Snow Basin for a couple of years.
Yeah.
She's really good.
Oh, well, thank you. Yeah, so this has been a great project to have my dad here to help me because, yes, he's very knowledgeable about these sorts of things, and I never would have done such a good job hanging those. But now that we did our project, remember, work hard, play hard, we can go have some fun.